In this video, I'm going to show how to scrape Google search results in Excel. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Google 2 CSV is an open-source Colab notebook that you can use to scrape Google search results and save them in Excel-compatible file. You just go to the GitHub page of this tool and then open it in Google Colab. Now, scroll down to the cell with the variable Google search query and then specify the search keyword, which is Taylor Swift in my case. Now, just click on Run All options from the Runtime menu to execute the code. When the code finishes running, you can see a glance of search results in the notebook. Switch to the Files tab and see the Excel and CSV files it creates. Next, just download the file and open it to see all the results. That's it guys, this is how you can scrape Google search results in Excel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.